First ride of the season for Stacy on the GS400, circa 1978-ish, some 79 maybe.
Hey guys, now that I've teased you a little bit with the final product, I'm going to show you some of how we found this bike and what condition we found it in. I was looking for a bike to purchase for my girlfriend or for her to purchase, and I stumbled across this one in a little town called North Van City, I suppose. Yeah, as you can see, it's full of rust and it was left outside. Yeah, so basically at this point the starter motor was seized. There was oil everywhere. It was just a bit of a gong show. But anyways, enough about that. Let's move on to the future and the now.
Custom seat. Going left.
Yes. Do I have my signal light on?
Yep.
So we used an old chain to create the back piece to make the round of the seat, as you can see. And then I inserted some light strips in there to hide them all up. So it works pretty well.
Cruising along nicely. Just remember those brakes don't work as well as the Buells.
Yeah. Anytime now.
Yeah. Oh,
Wait.
this guy's also going. Hey, nice one.
Okay.
This bicyclist is also going.
What
Sick. The bike looks good, eh?
Yeah, it feels good. I feel much more comfortable right now than I did last year.
Boots look good too. Clean.
Thank you.
Real
Brian?
clean.
New.
Nice one.
Oh, there's something hanging. Is that normal? I would have failed the test for show.
So first thing we got to do here is tighten that back brake because Stacy can't start. It's looking a little smoky up the front, but probably just some oil on the exhaust pipe from last year. So we're going to stop at the Heritage House that's on the right a little bit here.
Oh.
Not quite. It's in the next, the way that car is.
Sorry.
Oops. Wiener dog.
On the left, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a chain in front of me. Oh, something's pulling.
Hey?
I'm losing power. And she's dead.
Died?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have any gas.
Okay. And we're not even close to a gas station.
Oh, we just pop it onto reserve. Don't worry about it.
Will it get us there and then all the way home? Oh.
We'll get gas on the way up.
Hello. Oh, sweet.
In business.
Like I'm losing
Did
power.
you see what I did there?
No, actually.
Yeah,
Hold on. I don't trust this. Okay,
Okay.
go ahead.
It was on,
Yeah.
and I flicked it up to reserve.
Oh, sweet. Okay. What's the point in reserve? Why don't they just put it all in one tank?
So that you know that you have none left.
I guess. Do you know how many Ks you get on reserve?
Maybe 20 Ks.
Cool.
Oh, nice one.
I see you.
Shaking that ass.
Should I just go straight through the path? No.
I'm doing it.
Just got the bike for it. Me, I'll make a squeak. Ah. Baby in red.
It's clocking. Shit is clocking off right now.
Hey all, thank you so much again for watching. That's a little short clip I made of us spending 2.5 years rebuilding the bike. It's not all completed, it's not all going, it's an ongoing process. But it was super fun, super frustrating, super expensive, and we did everything in my garage. So except for a couple of little welding things because I don't know how to weld. But anyways, thank you so much once again. Please like, subscribe, and do all of those things if you dig what you're seeing. And please comment if you give me some pointers, whatever you want to see, and I'll try and make it happen. Thanks so much. Cheers.